Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Iskandar bin Syamsul Anwar. My matrix number is 33DPE24F1017. My friend and I wants to explain about the MTO process. It is the methanol to olefins. Methanol to olefins process is a modern chemical conversion method used to produce light olefins, primarily ethylene and propylene, which are essential raw material in the manufacturing of plastic, synthetic fiber, and other chemical. As the demand for plastic and petrochemical continue to rise globally, the MTO process plays a key role in enhancing feedstock flexibility, diversifying supply chains, and supporting energy security. Alright, what is the MTO process? MTO process is a chemical reaction that converts methanol, a simple alcohol usually made from natural gas, coal, or biomass, into light olefins such as ethylene, C2H4, used to make polyethylene plastic, and propylene, C3H6, used to polypropylene plastic. These olefins are fundamental building blocks in the petrochemical industry. For example, imagine you have natural gas which is turned into the methanol in chemical plant. Instead of burning that methanol for fuel, you send it into an MTO reactor. Inside the reactor, the methanol is heated and passed over zeolite catalyst. Its chemical transformed into a mix of ethylene and propylene. These products are then used to make plastic bottle from ethylene, food packaging, and textile from propylene. So, the MTO process is like a chemical shortcut that turns natural gas or coal into plastic and other useful material without using crude oil.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azifan bin Muhammad Zahawi. My number matrix is 33DPA24F1009. I will explain how the process works. First is feed preparation. The process begins with methanol, which is usually produced from natural gas, coal, or biomass. Methanol is vaporized and preheated before entering the reactor. The second is reactor stage, catalytic conversion. Methanol is passed through a fixed bed reactor containing zeolite catalyst, commonly as SAPO34 or ZSM5. The reaction occurs at 350 to 500 degrees Celsius and moderate pressure. Next, the process happens in two key steps. The first one is dehydration of methanol. The second is conversion of DME and methanol to olefin. DME and any remaining methanol react over the catalyst. This forms a mix of light olefins like ethylene, propylene, and minor byproducts like butenes, aromatics, and water. The third is product separation. The gas mixture exiting the reactor contains ethylene, propylene, water vapor, and other hydrocarbons and gases. These are separated using distillation, compression, and gas separation unit. The fourth is byproduct and catalyst regeneration. Small amount of heavier hydrocarbon or coke may form. This can deactivate the catalyst, so the catalyst bed may need regeneration by burning off deposits with air or steam. For the result is the final product. Ethylene and propylene are collected and sent to polymerization plants to make everyday items like plastic, textile, and packaging material. The chemical pathway summary is from methanol become to dimethyl ether and go through light olefin, ethylene and propylene.
My name is Abdul Hadi Afiq bin Abdul Samad. My number matrix is 33DPE24F1014. I will continue our presentation. So number 3, why is the MTO process important? Number 1, reduce dependence on crude oil. Traditional olefin like ethylene and propylene are produced from crude oil through steam cracking. MTO use methanol, which can be made from natural gas, coal, and biomass, providing an alternative feedstock. Number 2, utilize abundant resources. countries which limited oil but abundant natural gas or coal, like China, Iran, or US, can use MTO to convert these resources into high value chemical. Number 3, support energy security by diversifying raw materials sources. MTO help nation reduce reliance on imported oil and maintain stable petrochemical supply chains. Number 4, enable cleaner production pathway. When methanol is made from biomass or capture CO2, the MTO process can be part of a more sustainable and low carbon chemical production chain. Number 5, economic advantage. In region where methanol is cheaper than naphtha or oil, MTO provide a cost-effective route to essential petrochemical. Number 6, high demand for olefin. Ethylene and propylene are in constant global demand for products like plastic, fiber, packaging, automotive part, and electronic. Number 7, flexible and scalable. MTO plant can be built at various sizes and integrate with existing methanol or gas to chemical facilities. Application of product: ethylene to polyethylene, plastic bag bottle, to propylene to polypropylene, packaging textile. That's all for us. Thank you.